Hey YouTube, it's Fuchs Girl and I'm back with Trinadia Oh So Pretty.
Hi.
And she came today to get a recurl with some wand curls with her sew-in. No closure, so her part is laid. Turn to the back, let them see the wand curls. Very pretty wand curls. Looks like a pretty deep wave. Very nice. The color's still going strong. So do you like your hair, Miss Thing?
I love my hair. I just want to address this thing about the 30 inches. As you can clearly see, put the camera down. Where does this hair stop? Just tell me. Where it stops?
It's to her rear end here.
But what happens when you play with hair for a long time?
It shrinks.
Okay. That's all. But who life I know.
So, if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. Thumbs up Trinadia video if you would like to see more of Trinadia.
Also, Pretty Tree. Follow me on Instagram.
Okay, Instagram. And what's your Facebook?
Trinadia Alexander.
Okay, you guys heard it.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube.